Before buying a 12-inch miter saw, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Skill 10 Dual Bevel Miter Saw. The Skill 10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw caught my attention right away with its powerful 15-amp motor, priced at a reasonable $279. If you want precision in your cuts without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this saw is a great choice for you. The 15-amp motor delivers a whopping 4,800 RPM, meaning you can tackle various materials effortlessly. The dual bevel feature allows you to perform cuts at 4 different positive stops, making it easier for you to get the angles just right. Plus, the LED shadow line is a nice touch. It provides a cutting guide that's more precise than traditional lasers. With a cutting capacity of 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees, this tool has you covered for larger projects too. Now, some people complained about the saw being a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it in a fixed location, that weight might actually help with stability during cuts. But if you're looking for portability, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a casual woodworker looking for reliability without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for frequent job site moves. It offers great value for the money based on its features and performance. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, DEWALT DWS 715 Miter Saw. The DEWALT 12-inch miter saw is a solid contender priced at $299, and it boasts a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from over 6,900 reviews. If you want reliability and power, this is definitely worth considering. This saw features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, allowing precise adjustments for your cuts. It bevels up to 48 degrees left and 3 degrees right, giving you flexibility in your cutting tasks. The 2x8 cross-cut capacity at 90 degrees means you can handle a variety of projects efficiently. Some users mention that the dust collection isn't the best. Here's the thing, while it may not catch everything, it's still a significant improvement over many other models. If you're working in a small space, just use a vacuum attachment for better cleanup. This one's perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist looking for precision. Skip it if you're on a tight budget. There are cheaper alternatives without some of these advanced features. For the quality you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty applications. Product number 3, DEWALT DWS 780 Miter Saw. Next up is the DEWALT DWS 780, priced at $499, and it's got a fantastic rating of 4.8 stars from 2,400 reviews. If you're looking for a high-performance saw, this might be your best bet. This model features a powerful 15-amp motor with a no-load speed of 3,800 RPM, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The integrated cut line blade positioning system means you don't have to make adjustments for cut line visibility. It's all built in. The XPS LED shadow line technology projects a precise shadow for alignment, which has genuinely surprised me with its accuracy. Plus, the dust collection system is a game changer, capturing over 75% of the dust produced during cutting. A few users pointed out the hefty price tag as a downside. But honestly, if you need a reliable saw for frequent heavy use, it's worth the investment. The features you get here can save you time and improve results, making it a valuable tool in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or do lots of complex cutting tasks. Skip it if you're a weekend warrior who only does occasional projects. You might be better off with something cheaper. Considering its capabilities, you're getting great value for your money. Now, if you want something a bit more portable, check this next option. Product number 4, Metaba HPT C10 FCG2 Miter Saw. The Metaba HPT 10-inch miter saw is a budget-friendly option at just $149 and holds a solid 4.6-star rating from 460 reviews. If you're looking for a lightweight and portable model, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this saw apart is its impressive no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM, which makes cutting through wood a breeze. The user-friendly design includes a large table for better support and a vice clamp to secure your workpiece. The miter angle can adjust from 0 to 52 degrees, giving you flexibility in your cuts. Plus, it's lightweight at only 24 pounds, making it easy to transport. Some users have noted that it's not as powerful as some of the heavier models. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user or someone who occasionally takes tools on the go, the power will be more than sufficient for your needs. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for light to moderate projects. Skip this one if you're a professional looking for something to handle heavy-duty work. At this price point, it's hard to complain about the value. Now, the last product on our list is aimed at those who need versatility in material cutting. Product number 5, Evolution R185 SMS Plus Miter Saw. Finally, we have the Evolution R185 SMS Plus Sliding Miter Saw, priced at $179. With a 4.6-star rating from 977 reviews, it stands out for its multi-material cutting capability. If you want to work with more than just wood, this one's for you. The bevel and miter angles can go up to 45 degrees, covering all common cutting needs. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is always a nice reassurance. However, some users mention that it can struggle with thicker materials. But here's the thing, if you're mainly cutting wood and occasional softer metals, you'll likely find it performs just fine. This is perfect for you if you often work with different materials and need flexibility. Skip it if you're only focused on woodworking. There are better suited options for that need. Given its capabilities, it offers solid value for the price. So to wrap up, we've covered the Skill 10 for budget-friendly precision, the DWALT DWS 715 for reliability, the DWS 780 for heavy-duty performance, the Metaba HPT for portability, and the Evolution for versatility. Each of these miter saws has its own strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.